The oil life monitoring system in your Jeep Grand Wagoneer estimates when an oil change is needed based on driving conditions, not just mileage. After performing an oil change with manufacturer-recommended oil, you'll need to reset the system to clear the oil change required message. This ensures accurate maintenance tracking and prevents potential engine issues. The reset process involves using the Uconnect touchscreen. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is running to begin. Neglecting this reset can lead to premature engine wear. To reset, first press the Apps button on your Uconnect touchscreen. Then select Vehicle or Maintenance. Navigate to Oil Life Reset or Vehicle Info. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset, holding the OK or Reset button for 5 to 10 seconds if required. The system should display Oil Life Reset Complete. Turn off and restart the engine to verify the oil life percentage has reset to 100%. If the message persists or you encounter issues, consult your dealer, as it may indicate a sensor fault or software glitch, especially if the battery was recently disconnected. For newer models with updated software, remote resets may be available via the My Stellantis app.